Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of coin collecting with a focus on the United Kingdom 10 new pence coin from 1976. This particular coin is part of the decimal series introduced in the early 1970s when the UK transitioned from pounds, shillings and pence to a decimal currency system. The 10 new pence coin is composed primarily of cupronickel and features the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait shows the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, which became a classic representation on UK coinage for several decades. On the reverse side, the coin displays a crowned lion, which is a design by the renowned artist Christopher Ironside. This design has remained one of the most recognized and cherished motifs in British coin collecting because it symbolizes strength and pride. The 1976 10 new pence coin was minted in large quantities across the Royal Mint in London, making it relatively common among collectors. However, condition plays a significant role in determining the value of these coins. Coins that have remained in uncirculated condition or in mint state can command higher prices, especially if they have strong luster and sharp details. Collectors often look for specific features such as clear lettering, smooth edges and minimal signs of wear. Scratches, nicks or tarnishing can reduce the value significantly, while a coin that has been preserved carefully over the decades can be highly desirable in the market. The 1976 UK 10 new pence is also interesting because it represents the earlier smaller size before the redesign in the 1990s, which made it a bit more collectible due to its historical significance in terms of current market value. Most circulated 1976 10 new pence coins sell for just a few dollars to collectors. Uncirculated or proof versions can fetch higher prices depending on their condition, rarity and demand. Some special sets released by the Royal Mint during that year included coins with exceptional quality, and those can be particularly valuable among numismatists. The history behind this coin is also intriguing because it reflects a period of change in British monetary history and gives collectors a tangible connection to that era. When assessing a 1976 10 new pence coin, experts recommend examining both sides carefully, looking for clear details and even toning. Some coins may develop a natural patina that can actually enhance their appeal, while others may suffer from environmental damage which decreases their market value. Collectors also often check for minting errors, which although rare can dramatically increase a coin's worth in some cases. Overall, the United Kingdom 10 new pence 1976 coin remains a popular choice for both beginner and experienced collectors because it combines historical significance, iconic design and potential investment value. Whether you are just starting your collection or adding to an existing one, this coin is a great piece to study and appreciate. Understanding the value of a 1976 10 new pence coin requires knowledge of coin grading systems and market trends. Professional grading by services such as NGC or PCGS can provide certification and often increases a coin's marketability. It is important to store coins properly in protective holders or albums to preserve their condition over time while avoiding exposure to moisture and chemicals. Collecting coins like the 1976 10 new pence is not only about financial value but also about appreciating history, artistry and the story behind every piece of currency. By holding this coin, you are connecting to a time in the United Kingdom's past when the country was transitioning to a decimal system and the designs reflected national pride and heritage. The 10 new pence coin from 1976 is a testament to that period and offers collectors a small yet meaningful piece of British history for their collections. The history of the United Kingdom 10 new pence coin dates back to the early 1970s when the UK was transitioning from the old pounds, shillings and pence system to a decimal currency system. Prior to decimalisation, the British currency was complicated, with 12 pence to a shilling and 20 shillings to a pound. Decimal day was officially on February 15, 1971, and it marked the introduction of new coins including the 5p, 10p, 50p and £1 coins. The 10 new pence coin was introduced to replace the old shilling, which had the same value of 1/20th of a pound. The coin was initially larger in size and composed of cupronickel, which is an alloy of copper and nickel designed for durability and long circulation. The obverse side of the coin featured Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, which became a standard portrait for UK Coinage during the 1970s and 1980s. The reverse side was designed by Christopher Ironside and featured a crowned lion standing on a crown. This design symbolized strength and royal authority and became one of the most recognizable motifs in British coinage history. The 1976 10 new pence coin was part of the first few years of decimal coins and represents the early phase of decimalization. It was minted in large quantities, making it a common coin, but over the years coins in uncirculated or proof condition have become sought after by collectors. The coin also reflects the historical period of change in the UK economy and monetary system and shows the artistic and symbolic choices of the era. Later in 1992 the coin was reduced in size as part of a redesign to make it more convenient for circulation, but the 1976 version remains notable because of its original larger size and classic design. Many collectors value it today not just for its monetary value but also for its connection to a significant moment in